after that video, I think I can also rest now. It's not even been an hour already. 5 likes. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah. We don't need to see this every time I start up the game. Yep. Yeah, I know Steelwood. Will you make the best games? FNAF games. Bro, why does Chica's eye look so distorted? Oh my sister again. Freddy, time to absolutely get scared the crap.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Welcome back. What the hell? Okay.
Item on our star attraction. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Give it another firm tug.
Yeah, and the second I grab it, I'm gonna get jump scared.
In the lost and found bin on your right. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else. Well done.
Oh my goodness.
Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin.
There.
Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's
Oh, I see it.
box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child. Carefully place them in. Great job. To
there it
the
is.
safety latch. Now remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
I'm scared that thing. What the hell? Oh my goodness. I think I pressed the music box. I'm an idiot. Yeah, sure. Bro, I think I pressed the music box by accident. Oh my. Okay, let me quickly take these.
It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction.
Not that loud.
Let's return it to the lost and found. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Good job. Now place the hat in the lost and found bin. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child. Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. Carefully place it. Great job. To reset the safety, now remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
Thanks for sure.
Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity, and we'll call it a day. Oh no! You seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not good. A replacement may be found on the work. Crisis averted. To close Freddy's chest cavity, press the large black button on the center of Freddy's face.
Large black button. That's very obviously a no.
That concludes your time in Parts and Service. Your pay will be docked accordingly.
Yay! That's probably whatever. I think I might be posting like 20 videos today. Please don't get me. I'm on a diet. Please leave me alone. Thanks. Nope. Go away. Thanks very much. I don't know why I'm still doing these, even though I have also the hard mode one. Probably doing for your guys' entertainment and just scaring the crap out of me. So yeah. It seemed like a glitch trap was back there. Hello, glitch trap? This one, not the hard mode one. Bye.